Hi guys! Today I will be unboxing my new MK bag from a California-based online seller, which is also a fellow Filipino. The MK Bedford medium crossbody. Let's open it. So this is it. It's still wrong. So this is it, guys. The Michael Kors Bedford medium flap crossbody bag in French blue color. It is made of pebbled leather. Pebbled leather is a term used to describe leather that has raised pebble shaped texture. The pebble textures adds visual appeal while making the leather more scratch and abrasion free or abrasion resistant. This one has a silver hardware and it has the traditional MK logo charm, this one. Then it also have an extra strap. Let's take off the strap. And the strap. The strap is adjustable and also in pure leather. So nice. I love it. Okay, let's put this on. As a crossbody or a mini shoulder bag. Okay, and it has a flap closure with a secret back pocket through this zip flap. The good thing about this pocket is that it goes through on the edge from top to bottom like that. It's so deep that you can keep all your important things, like could be passport when you're traveling, or your wallet or cell phone or other important things that you don't want to lose. On the inside, it has the signature Michael Kors fabric lining. It has one zip pocket inside and a multi-function pocket here. It's got the price tag. Okay. It also has the usual care cards, and the most important is the gift receipt. As I've said on my previous reviews on other Michael Kors bag and wallet, it is important that we have the gift receipt because it's one thing to give us assurance that what we have or what we are buying is an original Michael Kors product. Okay. So this bag is, let's measure the length, because it's the usual question when people are buying for the first time. They want to know how big is the bag. So for this one, it is 11 inches wide. The height is 8 inches tall, and the diameter is 3 inches. So the bag is quite spacious. Now let's check what can we put inside this Michael Kors Bedford medium flap crossbody. So I have here with me my everyday bag, which is a 9 West croc skin. I have this since 2014, and it may look quite small, but it's actually very functional because I can put a lot of things here. So let's see if I can transfer all the things I have inside to my new Michael Kors Bedford crossbody flap. So here I have an alcohol because it's very important that we carry alcohol every day. I also have here my Michael Kors Jet Set Continental wallet. I have here a Maybelline pressed powder and lipstick. This is my fake color, a touch of spice, or number 99, because it just looks natural. It's not so red on my lips. And then I also have here a small purse which has my charger and my earphone in a watermelon design. So cute. And then I always bring a ball pen inside my bag, because here in Cebu City, if you want to go inside some malls, you have to fill up the client or customer's contact tracing form. So you don't want to use anybody's ball pen or the ball pen provided by the mall, which is being used by everybody. So I always bring my own ball pen. And then my key, both in the house and here in our office. Okay, let's try if it will fit on my Bedford bag. So this is the wallet, the alcohol, my charger, the pressed powder, and the lipstick, and the ball pen. I can put the ball pen at the back here, so I can easily grab it. I don't have to open the bag. I mean, I don't need to open my bag, so I just get it from here. So everybody fits, and my key, of course. I like to put my key inside, maybe on the zip pocket inside. Yes. So everything fits inside. So that's it. So nice. I love the color. As you know, I love the color blue. Any shades of blue will do. So this one is the French blue color, and I love it also. Like the cobalt Michael Kors camera bag, the Payton, which I got on my birthday last September. So that's it. I hope you like this video, and I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, guys, for future updates. Thank you. By the way, guys, I forgot to mention one way to determine if you have an original Michael Kors product, aside from having the gift receipt, is that your bag has the price tag and has its own code, which usually match the tag inside your Michael Kors bag. Let's check. For this one, the Michael Kors Bedford medium convertible shoulder leather bag in French blue. The item code is 35T9SBFL2L. So this should match the tag inside your bag. Let's check the tag inside the bag. Here.